Good morning everybody, welcome to another Prepping Adventures video. Today, up on the hills and in the woods and at the side of the woodland, and we're just going to stop and have some lunch. But the first job is to set up our shelter. We've got the shelter kit here, so let's get that job done. Okay, a little bit of a tarp set up just in case we do get a bit of rain. I don't think we will, but you never know. And today we're going to cook on the Mountain Warehouse Trangia stove. Let's get this one set up and get some lunch on the go. Right, we've got the simmer ring with us today as well. Let's get this lit and see how we get on. There it is, it's bloomed. I'm going to put on the simmer ring now, I think. That's a little bit better. Right, let's get some sausages on the go. Well, the sausages are on. My prediction for no rain is wrong, and so is the weather forecasters, because it's now raining. Not supposed to be any rain. So anyway, wish I'd set the tarp up a little bit better than this, but it's doing a job. We put an extra one up just behind us as well. So sausages are on, and we're cooking. Right, to go with my sausages, with my hot dog, I got a shallot. So let's just get that ready. So there's me shallot, all chopped up, ready to go in with the sausages. Sausages are cooked, hot dog is ready, vinegar is on standby. Time for some lunch. Nice lemonade to wash it down with.